Welcome to our roundup of the best desk for bed options designed to make working, studying, or relaxing more comfortable than ever. Today, we have selected 5 highly rated desks that combine stability, portability, smart design, and everyday practicality. From adjustable overbed tables to compact folding trays, these desks are built to improve comfort while keeping your essentials within reach. We will break down each model's key features, such as adjustability, build quality, portability, and overall usability to help you choose the perfect option for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Now let's dive in and find the perfect desk for your bed. The first on the list is the Vaughan Medical Electric Overbed Table. The Vaughan Medical Electric Overbed Table is designed for users who want maximum convenience and comfort while working or resting in bed. What makes this model unique is its electric height adjustment, durable steel frame, and large rolling surface that make everyday tasks easier. Unlike standard manual overbed tables, this one uses an electric lift system that allows you to adjust the height smoothly with minimal effort. Whether you are working on a laptop, reading, or eating, you can quickly set the perfect height to suit your position. The tabletop is wide enough to hold a laptop, books, meals, or other daily essentials without feeling cramped. Its smooth laminated surface is easy to clean and resistant to scratches, which helps maintain its appearance over time. Beneath the surface, the heavy-duty steel frame provides excellent support and stability, ensuring the desk does not wobble even when holding heavier items. The table is also equipped with rolling caster wheels that allow it to glide easily across floors and carpets, making repositioning effortless. Overall, the Vaughan Medical Electric Overbed Table is an excellent choice for users who want a premium bedside workstation with smooth height adjustment, strong construction, and convenient mobility. It offers a comfortable and practical solution for anyone who spends long hours working or relaxing in bed. Next up is the Bayou 5 Foldable Laptop Bed Desk. The Bayou 5 Foldable Laptop Bed Desk is a compact and practical solution for anyone who enjoys working, browsing, or watching movies from the comfort of their bed. Its foldable leg design, built-in device slot, and lightweight portable frame make it perfect for everyday convenience. Unlike bulky desks, this model focuses on portability and simplicity while still providing enough space for a laptop and accessories. The foldable legs are one of its most convenient features. With a quick motion, the legs collapse flat, allowing the desk to be easily stored under a bed, beside a couch, or even carried while traveling. Despite its lightweight design, the desk feels stable thanks to its sturdy construction and balanced leg structure. The tabletop is thoughtfully designed with practical features that improve usability. A built-in slot allows you to hold a phone or tablet upright, making it easier to watch videos or attend virtual meetings. There is also enough space to place a laptop, mouse, notebook, or snacks, making it a versatile surface for different activities. Overall, the Bayou 5 Foldable Laptop Bed Desk offers a smart balance of portability, functionality, and ease of use. For anyone looking for an affordable and space-saving bed desk that can handle everyday tasks comfortably, this model is a practical and reliable choice. Next, we have the Saiji Laptop Bed Tray Desk. The Saiji Laptop Bed Tray Desk is a versatile and highly adjustable option designed to improve comfort during long hours of work or study. Its adjustable height system, tilting desktop panel, and stable aluminum frame make it stand out among traditional bed desks. This model focuses heavily on ergonomics, helping users maintain a more comfortable posture whether they are sitting, reclining, or lying down. One of the most useful features is the adjustable height mechanism. With multiple height levels available, you can easily raise or lower the desk to match your preferred position. This flexibility makes it ideal for different uses, such as laptop work, reading, writing, or even drawing. The tilting desktop panel adds another level of comfort. By adjusting the angle of the surface, you can reduce neck strain and improve your viewing angle while working on a laptop or tablet. This feature is particularly helpful for people who spend long hours studying or attending online meetings. Stability is also a strong point of this desk. The reinforced aluminum legs provide a solid foundation that keeps the desk steady even when typing actively. The non-slip leg pads prevent sliding and protect surfaces from scratches, which adds to its overall durability. Overall, the Saiji laptop bed tray desk combines ergonomic design, strong construction, and thoughtful features to deliver a comfortable and reliable workspace. It's an excellent option for users who want a flexible bed desk that supports productivity while maintaining comfort. Next, we have the Drive Medical Overbed Table. The Drive Medical Overbed Table is a classic and reliable bedside desk designed for stability and everyday convenience. Its adjustable table height, secure locking wheels, and durable wood grain top make it a popular choice for both home and medical use. Built with practicality in mind, this desk offers a simple yet highly functional design that works well for a wide range of users. Overall, the Drive Medical Overbed Table offers reliable performance, sturdy construction, and easy adjustability. For users who want a practical bedside desk that prioritizes stability and simplicity, this model is a dependable choice. The last one on our list is the Vaughan Medical Adjustable Overbed Bedside Table. The Vaughan Medical Adjustable Overbed Bedside Table is one of the most trusted overbed desks available today. Known for its smooth height adjustment, hospital-grade construction, and wide, stable surface, this model delivers excellent reliability and everyday usability. Designed with both medical and home environments in mind, it provides a comfortable and dependable workspace beside the bed. The height adjustment system uses a simple lift mechanism that allows the tabletop to be raised or lowered effortlessly. Once the desired height is reached, the table locks securely into place, ensuring it stays stable during use. This feature makes it easy to adopt the desk for different tasks, such as working on a laptop, reading, writing, or eating. The tabletop itself is spacious and made from a durable laminate material that resists spills and scratches. Its smooth surface is easy to wipe clean, making it ideal for everyday use. Whether you're placing a laptop, books, or meals on the desk, the wide surface ensures everything fits comfortably. Durability is another strong point of this table. The heavy-duty steel frame provides long-lasting strength while maintaining a balanced design. Overall, the Vaughan Medical Adjustable Overbed Bedside Table delivers strong reliability, easy adjustability, and a stable working surface. It is a practical and durable solution for anyone looking for a comfortable bedside desk that can handle everyday tasks with ease. So that wraps up our roundup of the best desk for bed options available right now. Each of these desks offers unique advantages whether you prioritize portability, adjustability, stability, or overall comfort. If this video helped you find the right desk, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful product guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.